Bit of reconnaissance for the Marysville Dixon's Creek overnight ride.
We're going to do the hard work so you don't have to.
That's what happens.
You just turn up, drink beer, eat food, and we're going to take you on an adventure.
Like I know.
Asshole! Where are you, friend? Did he go this way? You already went the wrong way.
Get lost already in one turn.
Already I got lost. I'm like, where did he go? He didn't even stop at the corner.
What fucking chance do we have? We went up a road and turned right.
We lost the foot. That red flag. Oh, that's a kicker. Marysville. Wow. That had a bit on rusty. Fucking rough. Oh! Damn the foot!
Is there a tent?
Right there.
Human.
A human camping in a really odd, awkward spot.
No car.
Nothing. Just a tent.
Just loves life.
How could you sleep in a tent in this weather if you're a homeless person?
You'd just be cold. You can fucking look in there if you want. If there's a dead person there, don't tell me.
Oh, are you okay, mate? Curiosity's got me. I gotta know. You alright, buddy? You alright, Cobbsy? What are you up to? No biggie? Nah, you're all sweet. Pretty stiff, I'm not gonna lie. He's got a packet of fire lighters, a Makita mug, and he couldn't be bothered de-assembling his Oz Trail tent. That's not the go, Anna. Leaving your shit out in the bush like that. I'll have to come back in my car and pull that friggin' thing down now, you bastard.
Just a little river crossing, boys, and then off we go to the pub for a stub whining. Possibly one off the bone.